ให้注意
查อันที่สำคัญนะ 喂。
怎么是面向我？
反转一下。
好。
先讲 DIY， 先讲给他做吧。
这个怎么？
Hello everyone, this is Luna from Yide Candle Machine. Welcome to the live stream video. Our company is specialized in candle melting and filling.
有买家进入直播间了。
We are among the top 3 application provider solution for candle machine. Today, I'm delighted to introduce our wax melting and filling machine for you. Today, I will introduce 3 machines. The first is DIY candle making. The third is 16 trolley type, and the last is vertical 500 wax melting tank. Okay, now let's look at the DIY candle machine. It's a very small footprint but very powerful. It 2-in-1 functions, melting and filling in one equipment. That means no need to buy to separate the separations. And the filling gram accuracy no more than 1 gram. That means 0 waste. Now I will introduce more details about this machine. This machine is made of high quality stainless steel, 304 steel, anti-corrosion and anti-rust. The heating method is electromagnetic heating method. The heating wrap around the tank wall. And here is in the bottom of this machine. It has a waste drawer. It's very easy to clean it. Just put this drawer and throw it, just like this. And it also has a PLC test screen. In here, you can set the temperature, filling volume, and the 2 model. It has 2 model, manual model and automatic models. So in here you can set all the temperature parameter, all the technical parameter that you needed. And now I will introduce how to operate this machine. First you should fill the wax in this tank. In here. Secondly, you should set the temperature on the touch screen and adjust the wax melting temperature. And when the wax is melted, you can set the filling volume on the touch screen. And then you just need a jar put here and adjust the place. And the last, you just need to put this button to filling the volume, filling the jar. All operations are not complicated, and one person can operate the simple jar after simple training. Okay, now we can turn on this machine to show you. Okay, now we can look at the touch screen. You can choose the language. You can choose English and Chinese or other language. Now we can see this touch screen. You can set the temperature in here. This is the real temperature and this is the set temperature. And here is the filling output. This is the collector time once. And here is the quantity pump. It also has two models. This is the manual model. You need the people to press this button to make this machine to operate. And it also has the it also has the auto model. You can just put this, and this machine will operate automatically. No need people to adjust. Very easy to operate. And if you want to stop, you can just touch this button. And you can set a parameter here. Here is the filling speed, and this is the reversal speed. And you can adjust the speed in here. And if you need to revise the speed or other parameter, you can push here. The password is 1212. The operation is very easy and no complicated steps. And it have two functions in one machine, filling and melting in one machine. You don't need to buy two separate devices. The machine is suited for small simple living rooms or home hobbyists. The candle machine production is about 15 to 200 a day. So if you have any question, you can contact us now.
有问题吗？有6个人，5个人看。
Okay, now let's move on the next machine.
可以简单看一下当中刻的呢，就是这个就是采光的，有100克啊、200克等等这样长，然后这个 temperature 是这里容纳的这个孔，就一个10升吧，容纳罐。
Okay, you can set the temperature here. The set temperature and this is the real temperature. The temperature is showing the tank here. It is 10 liters and a double layer design. And you can set the quantity pump of the filling volume in here. For example, you want to set the 80, you can set here. Just like this, very easy, right?
可以启动一下，看一下，让80克要多长的时间？这里记录要多少秒的时间
Now we can show the filling the 18 gram need to how long?
6.31
It needs 16.31 second.
这是因为这里的 parameter 这里的这个 filling speed 太小了，现在调大一点，调到5但是。
Okay, now we can change the filling speed. For example, now we change to 500. Now it will be so the speed is much faster than Jaster. It just need 2.164 seconds. You can change the speed here. Now we change the volume into 200 grams. The time is 16.17 seconds. It's also quickly.
它这个怎么看？这个怎么看？有人进来，比如说就像这样，
所以有人进来会提醒你啊。
但是这个没提醒啊。
这个没有提醒，所以这里显示好只有3个了，现在还有一个给你点赞了。
So now we can set the manual model. You need to put this button. It is also easy. You just need to put this button. So, is there any other question you want to know?
没有人。
接下来
可以介绍一下其他产品，给这个关了。
Okay, now we move on to the next machine. Now let's move on to the next machine, the sitting liter. Sitting liter. It also has 3 functions. This machine capacity is 16 times than the DIY candle machine, but my favorite feature is has a here. It has a wheel. You can push this machine to the workshop, very convenient, and you can set the temperature. This machine can keep the temperature constantly to ensure the work's quality. This pump has 2 functions. It has a preheating and back pumping functions. The preheating functions, you can make the gear pump in here to make the to no residual liquid works in here, and to ensure the operation process very smoothly. And the works pump functions can make here the tube pump, the rubber tube, to discharge the liquid works liquid to keep cleaning.
可以先整体介绍一下整体，然后
This machine is used high quality stainless steel, anti-corrosion and anti-rust. It has this is a filling part, and this is a warming part. And here is the pump of this machine. Mixer pump in this machine, and it also has a dedicated water injection. By this you can allow you to conveniently inject water or heating conducted oil in the layer to here to keep the tank keep a constant temperature to provide a basic maximum for the subsequent constant temperature operations. In here in the jacketed, you can clearly see the layer, the oil or water, the level inside of the tray, the level. It is very easy to move everywhere like this. Very convenient and very simple. No need to wait. This machine contain a constant contain. This machine also has an intelligent and efficient touch screen in here. You can set all technical parameters in here just you need it to meet your diversity needs. It also has a rotation function. It also has a rotation and configuration reverse. Like this.
没有，只有它和都不带。
And in the touch screen, you can also set the filling volume, and the collecting time here, just like the DIY candle machine. This device contains an intelligent and efficient temperature control system. It can keep the temperature in a constant to ensure the work's quality and testing uniformly. To ensure the work's quality Okay, it also has a manual module and automatic module. You can put here. It also has a remote. Here, this is the remote. You can remote control this machine. Use this remote, and it also has 2 buttons. Oh, okay. It's like the DIY candle machine. It also can set temperature in here. This is the real temperature, and this is the set temperature of this tank. Here is the quantity pump in use. Okay, and this is the collecting time. In here, you can also change the fuel output. You can set the 200. Okay, let's look at the time. Time is a little long. Also, we can change the speed here. So, is there any question or something you want to know more? Okay, 好 So let's move on to the next machine. Okay, let's put this machine to the original place. Where it's very easy to move it. Okay, sorry. As you can hear. This machine is also compact the single pump, but it also compact with double pump like this here. But this machine this machine don't have the heating function. It also has a warming function. It adopts electric heating method, and this machine it has a heating method. It's an electromagnetic heating method, so it don't have the jacketed. And this is a handle. It's anti-heart. Also has a remote here. Has two buttons, very easy to complete it. In here, you can also set temperature. Use the touch screen while here. This is the real temperature on the top, and this is the set temperature of the unit. It is temperature showing and setting of the works temperature control, and this is the heater temperature control. It also on the top is the real temperature, and here is the real set temperature you need it, and this is an electromagnetic heating method, so you can change the power adjusting here. Turn left is to be minimal, to be small, and turn right to make this machine be more faster heating. And this is the power switch here. This is the indicator of the panels. You don't need to change it. And this machine is a servo motor. It's more faster and more quickly. Okay, you can look at it. It has three temperature controller system. So it's more precision of the amount of the before machine. It also has two languages, English and Chinese. But if you need other language, we can also make it for you. This is a 16 liter works melting tank. It also electric heating method. In here is a dedicated injector of water or oil. It has two outlet value. This is for the works as well, and this is for the oil or water in the leader to discharging. Here it also has a clean. Here it also have a jacket to showing the leader the oil or the water or oil very clean. It's also truly high. It's a single phase. The single phase here. it's like the former machine also has a 2 temperature controller. This is a wax temperature controller, and this is the element temperature controller. It has two separate heating elements. The heating element is sparely. So if one element is not working, it don't impact the other element. This is a power switch. Okay, let's move on to the next one machine.
500什么通杆，500什么通杆，在外面看，几分钟能过去，半个小时。
Hello, is there any machine you want to know? Now let's move on to the next machine. Okay, now I will introduce the wax melting tank for everyone. This is a vertical 200 wax melting bucket. Adopts a vertical design which occupies a small area and is especially suited for factories with compact workshop layout. It has a ladder like this. Like this, it has a ladder. Okay, it has a full stainless steel body, equipped with a cool seal ledger and safety handle rails, making fitting and maintenance very convenient and safe. The equipment is produced by Dongguan Yide Machinery. Official after sales phone number is 86076988389185. So the heating method is the electromagnetic heating method. Faster, efficient, and adaptable to equipment parameter. Our vertical 200 wax melting bucket adopts electromagnetic induction heating technology, which is completely different from traditional resistant heating. It has ultra-fast heating speed and is equipped with a built-in pumping system. The melted wax can be completely discharged in 5 to 10 minutes. No need to wait for a long time, greatly shortening the production cycle. In addition, the jacket of the equipment is filled with insulation cotton, which has excellent heat preservation performance. After wax is melted, it can maintain a constant temperature for a long time without repeated heating, further saving electricity costs. The inner tank of the wax melting bucket is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel, which can be safely used for industrial wax, food-grade wax, and aromacy wax without polluting the wax liquid, fully complying with production safety standards. The outer layer is supported by 201 stainless steel, and the vertical body is stable without shaking with strong load bearing capacity. It is adapted to the 500-liter large capacity design, which can melt 200 liters of wax at one time, fully meeting the need from small batch to large-scale production. The equipment is equipped with a mixer and a pump system. Here we emphasize a key operation precaution. You must turn on the mixer only after the wax is completely melted, otherwise the mixer will be burned.
谢谢，再讲，还有30分钟。
So if you have any question, please comment on the screen. We will explain it for you. You have any question? So, is there any other machine you want to know? If you have any questions such as voltage, customization, equipment adaptability, bulk purchase price, delivery time, etc., please leave a comment in the chat box and I will answer them one by one. Now I will answer some questions for you. The voltage, both models support 220 volts or 110 volts with corresponding plugs for global use, and we also provide transformer. The warranty period is 11 months warranty on the full machine with lifetime technical support. The delivery time is also arranged shipment as soon as possible, normally needs 7 to 13 days. And we also have our commitment. We commitment the precision is no more than 1 gram accuracy guarantee, and the flexible temperature control, electric heating touch to 0 to 120 Celsius degree, while the electromagnetic is 0 to 115, even be more. The global voltage is compatibility, and we have the professional after-sales service. So, if you want to buy our machine, please contact us. Now we will around this workplace to show the other machine. You can look at this machine.
Hello, this is Winter from Yide Machinery. Let me introduce this machine now. This is an electric trolley type was a melting machine. The voltage is which is possibly the trailer which makes it easy to move. The machine voltage is 220 watts, 50 hertz, single phase, and the capacity is 200 liters. This is the wax pump. This is the mixing pump. The mixer stirs the materials fully. This is the inlet for water and heat transfer oil. The liquid level gauge shows the water or oil level. This is the induction oil or water outlet. This is the wax outlet. It has a double jacket design, so the heating elements don't touch the wax directly, which ensures the wax quality. And it has a double temperature control system. This is the wax temperature and heating temperature. You can set the temperature and check the temperature in real time. And you can adjust the machine speed is adjustable from here. It heats fast, only 2 hours. This is all wax melting is suitable for various waxes such as soy wax, beeswax, coconut wax. We also support customization. For example, we can change the tank capacity or add automatic wax. Like this, the waiting function, so you can know the weight of wax in the tank.
Okay, you can look around this workplace. Is there any other machine you want to know? Now,
let me introduce this machine. This is wax melting and filling machine. The capacity is 30 liters. It is trolley type, with flexible is move. When operating first, put the wax into the tank, then turn the power switch. Set the wax temperature and heating temperature. The heating power is adjustable from here. Then turn the heating switch. This is a double pump filling machine. It has a rotation and reversal functions. We have PLC touch screen. You can adjust the parameters from here. The filling accuracy is within 1 gram error. After use, we run the reverse function to clean the pipes to avoid clogging. Our pump is able to maintain good wax quality. It has manual and automatic modes. Easy to operate. hold this handle to start filling. This is our company's trolley wax filling machine.
Now let's move on to the next machine. Now let's look at the wig cutting machine here.
Now let's introduce this wig cutting machine. What it is 220 watts, 50 hertz, single phase wig cutting machine is controlled by PLC touch screen. We can listen adjustable and type size changeable. Update electric type is more stable and high efficiency. It is driven by a servo motor for high precision, high speed, and minimal error. The cutting speed can reach up to 12,000 meters per hour. This is the container for wig holder. It can fit different sizes of wig holder and accept customization. It can cut the wig and tighten with the tape. The blade cuts the wig and the hammer tightens the iron holder. It makes the wig straight. By tuning our machines, you can greatly improve efficiency and product quality.
还有17分钟20或者是。
Now let's look at this machine.
This electric trolley this is an electric trolley type wax melting and filling machine with power supply for the trailer, which makes it easy to move. It has a double jacket design. You can design so the heating elements don't touch the wax directly, which ensures the wax quality. It has a double temperature control system. You can set and check the wax temperature and heating temperature in real time, which ensures the wax quality. This is a wax pump. This is a mixing pump. The mixer stores the materials fully, and you can adjust. The mixing speed is adjustable from here. It is the power switch and the pump switch, mixer switch, heating heater 1 and heater 2. The wax melting and filling machine voltage is 220 watts, 50 hertz, single phase, and the capacity is 200 liters. This is the inlet for heat transfer oil or water. The liquid level gauge shows the oil or water level. This is the outlet for induction oil or water. This is the wax
有买家
outlet.
进入直播间了。
Hello, is there any question you want to know or other details?
Our equipment is suitable for various waxes such as soil wax, bee wax, and paraffin wax. And we can also customization it, such as including the tank capacity, add the automatic wax pumping or weighting system.
Here is a 10-liter wax melting tank, and it also made of high quality stainless steel, the 304 steel. So it's a double layer design. Here you can look at the inner. Double layer design made this machine more safer and more efficient. In here is the outlet to discharging the wax in the inner tank. Here it has two handles, which makes this machine very easy to move its places. And the control panel is very simple. It only has two buttons. Here, the light and the right. The left button to set the biggest temperature of this machine. The right here to set the minimal lowest temperature of this machine. All these buttons can adjust the temperature up and down. It's a very small flip point, but very powerful, right? Okay, now, is there any other machine you want to know? We have all kinds of machine in these workshops. No matter wax melting or wax filling or other wick cutting, wick dipping machine. We also have the different cup size volume, 16, 100, 500, and so on. Is there other machine you want to know? Okay, now let's move around. If you have any want to know machine, please comment. This line is the square tank, square wax melting tank, and okay, now let's move on to the next machine.
我拿着吧。
It's a 10 liter wax melting tank. It is a desktop design with a double layer. It's more efficient and more safer in heating. It's also equipped with an electric heating method. It also has a two-hander, which makes this machine tool very easy to move place. And this is the outlet of the inner wax. The control panel is very simple. It only has two buttons. In the left, you can be set the biggest temperature of this machine, and in the right, you can set the smallest temperature of this machine. All the buttons can adjust the temperature up and down. It also adopts a high quality stainless steel, the 304 stainless steel, anti-corrosion and anti-rust. So, is there other machine you want to know?
雪谦讲了没？
讲了，刚快结束。
没有人了。对这个，这两个人还点了2个赞。主要是讲这些小机器是吧？
嗯。Okay, in here we have all kinds of machine, no matter wax melting or wax filling and other wick machine. So, what kind of machine you want to know? 没有人了。
再播一会儿就上。
In this line is the square wax melting tank. It also has the electric and electromagnetic heating method. In this line is a round wax melting tank. I prefer the round wax melting tank because it's more clean, more easy to clean, and uniformly the wax quality.
So around is everything hot. we have all kinds of wax and filling machine. This machine is suitable for cuplet 是吧？
是提来着，
提来的
茶拉不是提来着吗？
提来的。对飞机怎么说？转盘怎么说？
转盘 rotary。
rotor
什么呀？后面还有个单词
rotor plate
哦
rotary plate.
哦 plate 对。
This is a rotary plate. The line is our company's wick cutting machine. This is our company's fragrance machine. There are wax melting tank. There are filling machines. This is the wick coating machine. We have high temperature and low temperature. This is the wick inserting machine. Fully automatic wick inserting machine. It is a thick light machine.
Dear, is there any other machine you want to know? So if you have any question, you can contact us. Now we will close our live stream. Bye bye.